I'm Santiago Tenorio. I support the network architecture team at Vodafone. And I'm here to talk to you about what we will be bringing to Mobile World Congress. But first, before I give you some highlights, let me say one thing. This is probably one of the most important points in time in this decade, as we either get 5G right this time, or we are in front of a lost generation. So as 5G is starting to unfold its full potential, it's up to us to decide and to deliver the killer application for 5G. So what is the killer application for 5G? If 3G broke us the smartphone and 4G broke us video streaming, what is it that 5G is bringing? We are almost halfway through this decade and 5G is starting to unfold its full potential. We're talking about 5G standalone. And as this gets rolled out, it's beginning to be apparent that part of the answer to that question is the full digitalization of society and also enabling the industrial internet age. 5G for sure is going to be one of the topics that we will talk about. And as you can expect, we will show a lot of demos on use cases, new use cases, edge computing, devices, and of course, network slicing. But if there is one demo and one concept that is really my favorite one, is the 5G network in a Raspberry Pi, which is a concept that we presented for the first time at last year's Mobile World Congress. So it's coming back, evolved with even more features. So if you remember, this is about squeezing an entire 5G network, 5G core, and a 5G base station into a Raspberry Pi personal computer, which is really tiny, and paired with the software-defined radio module from Lime Microsystem, it actually forms a super affordable, super flexible mini MPN or mini base station. So we've been working with Lime to actually enable a zero-touch automation and operation of this device. What does that mean? Well, it means that we can ship it to our customers, and all that they will have to do is to connect it to the internet, and then the configuration will flow through the cloud onto the device, and our customers don't need to have any particular skills, telco skills, IT skills. The device will just work, and it will be configured in the way our customers want. If you remember, this device is all about flexibility, which means that it can be a mobile private network, dedicated, isolated. It can also be part of our public network. It can be a 5G base station, a 4G base station. It can have a core. It can have anything our customers need. Now, a few other things that we've done with this device, we've actually designed together with Lime a battery pack so that the device can run autonomously without any main power for up to 10 hours. And we've also included in the device a Wi-Fi connectivity so that it can reach the internet with no cables. We think that that's going to open a whole new world of possibilities. And one particular one that we are exploring and showing in Mobile World Congress is attaching this device onto a drone to form what it is an instant network that can be deployed for emergency or disaster recovery systems at almost zero time and at a very low cost. Apart from all this, of course, we will be upgrading the core engine of this device to Raspberry Pi 5 this year. Network APIs is for sure going to be a very important topic in Mobile World Congress. API stands for Application Programming Interface. So if you attach an API to our network, what you are doing is to turn the functionality that our network has into software that can be embedded onto third-party applications. So we will be showing many use cases and possibilities how you can use these APIs to build new services. One of my favorite ones is the one that developers can be using and enterprises can be using to fight online fraud. It's very unique and it's never been available before. Also, the one that protects our customers' digital identity. I think that is really cool and is much seamless authentication and verification of identity that is enabled thanks to these APIs. So there you go. We are at a very important point in time for the industry and what 5G will really become. So come see us at our stand if you are in Barcelona 26th to 29th of February, and if you aren't, then follow us in Vodafone.com for more news.